Before watch our video, please subscribe.
Smart Separations presents Gino. Gino is your personal air sanitizer that can destroy viruses including coronavirus, bacteria and fungi in the air. You can use Gino in your homes, offices and any interior space where people interact. Gino was conceived in our homes and researched in our labs. It is the first personal air sanitizer that uses a revolutionary lightless filter technology. Studies have shown that through coughing, sneezing and regular breathing, we can create fine particles that contain microbes. They can remain in the air for several hours. These are the kinds of particles that even some surgical masks don't filter well. For example, when you go to the beach on a windy day and feel the ocean spray on your face, this is because droplets have become airborne. Gino works by destroying particles from these droplets. At the heart of this technology is a nanotech coating. When the harmful air comes into contact with the coating, the microbes burst like balloons touching a cactus. The fan draws the air in through the filter. It eliminates more than 99.999% of indoor viruses, including coronavirus, bacteria and mold in a single air pass. Gino consists of three main components: the ceramic filter with the antimicrobial nanotech coating, the protective casing and the fan. The ceramic filter will last for more than 5 years. A few times a year, simply remove, rinse off the dust and return, as good as new. Gino is USB powered with the fan that cleverly draws the air in a room to the filter. It is a low energy device, quiet to run and inexpensive to maintain, so it costs very little to have always on.
I started Smart Separations back in 2013 from a kitchen in London with a core mission to help improving quality of life through innovation. And I couldn't be prouder of the team of scientists, innovators and industry experts who came together from all over the world to help achieving this vision.
Unlike conventional air purifiers that collect germs that can survive on the filter for more than 200 days, Gino is an air sanitizer and is designed specifically to destroy them. Air purifiers typically try to do a little of everything. Gino is designed to do one thing really well, to destroy microbes from the air.
We want to help the vulnerable, your lovables and you, the elderly in care homes and kids at school, in offices and factories, shops and taxis, hotels and restaurants, cafes and homes. Wherever people gather in close proximity, we need to get the word out. They need Gino.
Our values, which are so important to us, also drive us forward. One of these, aqui in Portuguese, means we are inspired to be present and wholeheartedly engaged to make sure that this vision is accomplished. Support our project today, visit our website and spread the word about Gino.
Thank you!
Imagine a world in which every cup of tea is tailored to your mood, your preference, so you can experience all the joys and the benefits of tea. Hi, Indiegogo. I'm Irvin, co-founder and CEO of TEAMOSA. For 34 years, my family has been producing and growing tea on our tea plantation in Taiwan. Since the beginning, our mission has remained the same: deliver the most authentic and healthiest tea experience to our customer. That's why we created TEAMOSA, a tea brewing machine that combines the modern science with the art of the traditional tea making. The brewing process is very important to make the perfect cup of tea. Brewing with water too hot can damage the natural antioxidants in the teas. Steeping time too long will create the bitter flavors, so many people add artificial flavors and sweeteners. TEAMOSA is an automated tea master which learns your preference to taste. We utilize a spatial extraction method, ultrasonic extraction, which rapidly takes flavor out of tea and enhance antioxidants and aroma naturally. You can use TEAMOSA paper capsule, or you can use your own loose tea leaves. Once you insert paper capsule, TEAMOSA scans the capsule and sets the optimal brewing temperature and steeping time. Alternatively, if you use your own loose tea leaves, you can customize the brewing process and enjoy the tea exactly how you like it. We have engineering and business skills to bring this product to market. We joined Hex, the first and the largest hardware startup accelerator in the world. In the past 4 months, we have been rapidly prototyping and designing our product. We are now ready to start manufacturing. To do that, we need your support. Please help us realize our quest for the perfect cup of tea and bring our tea master to you. It's time to join the tea revolution with TEAMOSA.
We are GoSun, and we believe that being prepared in uncertain times is essential. So we design products that require no fuel or resupply. Meet the Flow, a solar-powered clean water and sanitation system. Everything you need to pump, purify, and deliver large amounts of water. Now you can bring cleanliness wherever you go, with full sink and shower capabilities. It's difficult to find water that isn't contaminated, and purifying has always been a hassle. The Flow's 3-stage cartridge filter is long-lasting and effortless. When traveling light, use it directly in the dirty water source like a straw, or thread it onto the included bag or plastic bottle to squeeze filtered water through. The Flow also runs on a small USB-powered pump, and the included power bank can purify 100 gallons of drinking water on a single charge. And it's all solar-powered thanks to an integrated panel on the rugged case.
With today's amazing technology, why would you limit your water filter to a single function? Now, when you're traveling, camping, or when you're just out and about, you have everything and the kitchen sink.
Setup takes less than a minute, and with the flip of a switch, you have fresh water for the dog, washing dirty hands and dishes, rinsing veggies, you name it. Making a hot shower while off-grid is very difficult without a ton of gear and patience. So we combine the Flow with our hybrid solar and electric stove, making a solar shower that works in minutes and all year round. Gone are the days of hand pumping or buying bottled water. Gone are the worries of contaminated drinking water supplies or interruptions from power outages. With the Flow, you can have hydration, a kitchen sink, and a hot shower that fits in your backpack. GoSun thanks you for believing in a better way and a more resilient, healthy future.
Everyday life is a journey, exploring and traveling the world. That's what makes us feel alive. If you're on the go, now there's a light and compact solution. Meet iUVì, a multifunctional smart bottle equipped with UVC LED technology. It doesn't matter if you hike in the mountains, cruise in the city, or sail in the seas. It can purify water with only one tap, anywhere you are. The drinking cap has a modular design, allowing it to swap from camelback to bottle use in no time. So, whether you're riding a bike or looking to climb the highest peaks, iUVì makes the perfect travel buddy. Thanks to its integrated power bank, you can now recharge your electronic devices quickly and easily, so that you will be always ready to snapshot those special moments. At the end of the day, when the sun sets, iUVì turns into a flashlight. Not letting the night stop you from getting home safely. Life is a journey. Let's make it an adventure. iUVì.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, Danny. You have a full schedule today, starting with an investor meeting at noon.
Hey, I. Call Lisa.
Hey, Danny. I'm headed up right now. Hey, turn the temperature up and play some music.
Turning the temperature up to 72 degrees. Playing from Spotify.
Hey, I. Call an Uber to 5th Avenue.
Your car will arrive in 5 minutes.
Hey, good night.
We have a meeting in Union Square at noon. Would you like me to schedule an Uber?
Hey, what do you think of these glasses?